Maintenance may be costly, but having to replace a damaged or forgotten air duct in your house is more expensive. Always remember that prevention is better than cure, so better have ductwork in your house on a regular basis. Ductwork will not only benefit your family, it's also beneficial if you ever plan to sell your house in the future. Buyers nowadays are very smart. They'll look at every detail of the house and even bring in some experts to inspect some parts not accessible to them. And that includes the air ducts. If you have ductwork done every now and then, you'll have no problem even if your air ducts are scrutinized by eager buyers. If you do not have ductwork in your HVAC system, there is a high chance that it will be damaged with frequent use. Replacing it will be expensive, so don't forget to have ductwork on a regular basis. Another benefit of having ductwork is that your HVAC system will be in top working condition. Not only will your heating and cooling system be functioning at its optimum level, you'll be saving on energy bills as well. You don't have to use maximum power for your heating and cooling device since it can work on the optimum level at the set temperature you want it to be. Ductwork also removes any impurities, dusts, debris, and molds inside the system. Just think, this dirt, germs, and bacteria are going inside your house. How healthy is that for you and your kids? If you have a baby at home, it's essential to provide the safest and cleanest surrounding possible. Just for a recap, the benefits of having ductwork done are to save money on energy bills, to prolong the lifespan of the HVAC system, to provide better air quality, lessen the risk of allergies, and for better smell inside the home. The smell of a poorly maintained air duct can be smelled in every part of the house. No perfumed candle or deodorizer can compete with a rotting air duct. Even if you eliminate the smell, the bacteria it brings can go into the body system, causing illness among family members. Ductwork is really essential in any home. Aside from having regular checkup or maintenance of your air ducts, ductwork is also important after a flood, when there's a nearby fire, during major home remodeling, and when you're moving into a new house.